What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Mattel Trades and I remain aka Matthew. Today being Friday is the last day of the trading week, except for the crypto market and synthetic indices. But as for the forex market, we all know the market is closing today, and that will be happening in a few hours from now. This evening I jumped on a trade GBP USD. But before we go into that, I just want to quickly give an update on my trading journey so far. So I mentioned in one of my videos that I discovered this trader who has been kind of like generous when it comes to sharing his knowledge. So he created a community, and also in that community he puts this free course. Very amazing, like words can't describe it. The community is free, the course is free. So this is now going to those out there who are still searching for um, free courses. All right, free forex courses. Like, you do not have any excuse. If you're interested in getting this course or joining the community, just let me know in the comment section and I will be sharing the link to you. So without wasting any much time, let me show you what I have been doing so far. So due to this course, all right, and the things I've been able to learn, I have been able to understand my strategy better, right? And that has also led me to updating and refining my trading plan, like to be much better than it was anyway. This is it right here. All right, so I've really been doing a lot of work in this. This is not the day I'll be sharing this. Probably one in my subsequent video I'll be sharing how to do something like this. Alright, so you can see the course is the 9 chapter course. This is an extra one, the live session held with some past members. So it's really been an amazing journey so far. So going to the trade I entered this evening, GBP USD. So this is it. Wow. The trade is going back to my entry. That's part of it. So first of all, what I do is I look for the current range. So when I get it, I look for my demand or supply zone and I enter from there. So with what I've learned in this course, I've been able to refine my strategy to be able to give me like 1 to 3 risk reward ratio and reducing my risks as well. So if you see here, you see that this is a 3 hour trade and my risk is 5 pips. So it makes it very easy to jump on a trade and get your profit and you go. No greed attached. You don't need to spend too much time on the chart and all of that stuff. So I'm likely going to be closing this trade. This is 2030, that is 8:30 GMT plus 1 currently. So I should be closing it in a few minutes from now. Probably after this video I'll be closing it. On the 4 hour time frame, you'd see that we have this big supply zone which price hit several times, then started going down. So with this knowledge, I go down to my 15 minutes time frame, then look for my current range. So right here is where we have our current range on the 15 minutes time frame. Here is our swing high and here was our swing low as at the time I took this trade. So here was our swing low. So since we've gotten our range, then the next thing I did was to go down to 1 minute. On the 1 minute I mapped out this supply zone here. If we should check the PD range, you see that it's right above the 50%. All right, so right there I set my limit order, and yeah, price came back, took me in, and it has been going down, but recently it has retraced back to my close to my entry point. So like I said, I'll be closing this trade soon, but I just kind of believe that price should still be going down, right? Because 24-hour time frame, my anticipation is that price is likely to like retrace to this level, retest this level, and then go up. Or if price should disrespect this level, it's likely to come down to this demand zone, then go up. Yeah, so right now this is kind of like a flip zone, right? If price should disrespect this level here that it broke, it's going to likely come down here, then go up. All right, that's just what I'm looking forward to seeing in the market should price disrespect this level here. That's just it. So I'll be ending the video here, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so. Like and share this video to others. Till then, if you're a trader, trade safely. Peace.